Hello. Okay. So now we are on control. Um, the cheat is going to be infinite ammo. You have to beat it on secret agent mode. So of course I went ahead and did it on double O agent. I'm not gonna lie, I struggled with it. Hopefully the secret agent mode will make it easier because you have to do it within 10 minutes. So I don't know if it's a speed run. I just know Natalia takes a really long time. So just get through it as fast as you possibly can. And oh my god, I normally never take damage here, but I have a feeling this is gonna be a very sloppy job. Oh, forgot about that. Okay, yeah, I'm already, yeah. This is not gonna go so well. Are you, really? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think this is gonna turn out great. Oh, I'm still gonna try it anyway. James, you're hurt. Yeah, that's not a good sign. Where's this guy's ammo? Whatever. How much ammo do you get in secret agent mode? I actually don't know. I know in double O agent you just get 10. Oh, oh, sorry, blanked out. I'm really tired. This is not going my way, but see what I can do with it. Okay. Give me some ammunition. Yeah, that's everything. Conserve ammo with headshots. Or not. Oh. You're still not dead. Okay. Okay, that was stupid. Did I share a grenade? No, I didn't. Okay, I'm just... Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I got a frag. That's dope. That's not where I wanted that to go, but that's cool. Whatever. Yeah, I'm doing... Honestly, I don't have trust in myself at this moment. But, I'm good on health, and I get this body armor over here. I just gotta speed run through all this, so... Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, well, okay, cool. So, this is what I'm gonna do. Kill that guy. Wait for his friend to show up. There he is. Wait for his friend to show up. Yep, there he is. And I think that should be it. I don't know. Even if it's not, it doesn't matter. I'm going to use the machine gun here to get rid of this turret that apparently can see me from that far away. Whoa, that was weird. Okay. Alright, Natalia, let's do this. Yeah, I definitely have a lot more ammo on Secret Agent mode. Come on, let's go. Shut the door behind you. It's polite. Okay. So, I don't know where we at. 6 minutes on the stream, but I don't know if that's the case for the mission. We will see. Honestly, I should record the time when... Oh, shit. Okay, this is going great already. Where did he come from? He... Really? Ow, what? None of those bullets hit. Bad. Hello. Okay, so she's done. She just needs to get out of here. Because for some reason I always fail. Unless she, like, closes the door behind her. Every time. Oh, I'm out of bullets. No, I'm not. Yeah, she needs to... That door needs to be shut. Before I even move. I'm gonna stand my ground until that door's shut. Okay. Yep, we're good. Give me your ammo. I don't need that much, but thank you. Alright. Let's do this. Hopefully I did it in 10 minutes. Why is there so many people here? I don't know, let's just go. Just go. Please tell me I did it in 10 minutes. I don't want to do that again. Oop. I did it but it doesn't say cheat unlocked. What's the cheat? The cheat is supposed to be infinite ammo. Wait, did it? I did it on Secret Agent. Okay. So this happened earlier. Let's just see real quick. What was it? I'm sorry. Infinite ammo. Yeah, okay. So sometimes it just doesn't show up, but I got the infinite ammo, and I definitely did it in time. So, that's interesting. Well, there's that. And, yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you.